Hello everyone, I'm here with another video tutorial today. I will be showing you some few useful commands for CMD. So let's get started. So first let's run CMD. The first command is systeminfo, one word. This will show you some details about your device from RAM size to CPU models. The next command would be CLS, which will clean up the page. Next command will be ipconfig. This will show you some details like your internal IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. I'll do clean again, CLS. Next command will be tasklist. This command will show you all the running processes. And another useful command that you can use with this one is taskkill. /f/PID, that will be the process ID, and we'll take an example of the CMD that we're currently running. So it's 20708, and then when I press enter, this page should be closed. And now let's have some fun. CMD, we'll go color 04 because I like red, and then go curl ASCII.live/forest. You ready for it? Let's go. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.